Hello guys, welcome to Nama KPSC Academy PSI Test Series discussions. So this is a short discussion on how to prepare for paper 1 in your PSI exams. Let us begin. So as you all know, PSI exams paper 1 has 3 sections: essay writing, translation and precise writing. Let us focus first on essay writing. So as you all know, there will be 5 topics given in your question paper. You must choose one of them and write an essay in 600 words. For doing this, you will get 20 marks. One common question students ask me is, how do you know we have written 600 words? So based on your handwriting, just check the number of words you write in one line. Suppose you write 10 words in one line, you're supposed to write such 60 lines to make up a 600 words essay. So basically you will have 4 pages to complete your essay in main exam. So for this, out of the total 90 minutes allotted for paper 1, you must max to max use only 30 to 40 minutes for completing the essay section. Remember this. So what are the key points you must focus on writing a very good essay? First of all, choosing a right topic. You must choose such a topic on which you have max to max knowledge. Secondly, you must analyze the topic which you have chosen so that you can fit in the words for completing the essay. Example, let us consider if an essay is given about women empowerment. So women empowerment is basically done using various dimensions. Example, women can be empowered by providing education, or women can be empowered by providing social equality also. So you must understand what is the dimension given for women empowerment in the question so that you can set up a proper framework to complete your essay. So let us see an example. Here you can see the question, hurdles for women empowerment in India. Before continuing guys, I'd like to tell you a word. It is a very common thing that everyone advises you to write a quote before starting an essay. But not everyone tells you that the quote which you write must be a foreword for your essay. The quote which you are writing must match the contents of your essay. If you are writing a different quote and the contents of your essay are not matching with the quote, it would look very ugly and this would also lead in reduction of your marks. So you must be very careful. If you are not able to find the quote, that's fine. You can start directly by providing definitions and providing good contents. All what it matters is providing good content. So keep this thing in mind. So coming back to our essay, the question is hurdles for women empowerment in India. So this is essay from my point of view. You can also, this is not basically a hard and fast rule that you must follow the same pattern. You can also provide your own contents for the essay, but it must be meaningful. So let us discuss the answer given here. So I am starting the essay by writing the definition of women empowerment after a quote on women empowerment. Next question is, why do we need to empower women? So this is also a very prominent question anyone would ask. So after this, I am speaking about constitutional provisions for women in Indian Constitution. So despite the constitutional provisions, there are different hurdles for women empowerment. So since the question is asking only about the hurdles for women empowerment in India, I am explaining different dimensions for hurdles for women empowerment in India. Example, hurdles in social and cultural empowerment, economic empowerment and political empowerment also. So the next point I am making out is, despite such certain hurdles, what has the government of India done? So why is this part needed here? So this part is needed for providing a good conclusion. A good conclusion matters because a conclusion is the point which enlightens to the reader your thoughts about the topic. So a very good conclusion must be written. You must remember that conclusion must be having 2 points. One, it must not be one-sided. You must be neutral in writing a conclusion. And secondly, it must always end in a good note. You must remember this. So I am going to conclude the essay by writing, although there is hurdles for women empowerment in India, Government of India has taken up numerous steps to achieve a great success. These initiatives have resulted in a greater success which is visible in our present society, although there are certain negatives which will also be removed eventually in the future using technology and a greater education initiatives. So like this, you can conclude the topic on a positive note. So I'm going to repeat the statement. This is not a hard and fast pattern of answer writing. You can use your own method also, but it must be meaningful. Remember this. So after essay writing, the next section is translation. As you all know, in translation there is 2 questions, one English to Kannada and other Kannada to English. So each carry 20 marks. So translation bariyodake you can use the next 20 to 30 minutes maximum. So again, there is nothing, no need for a bigger understanding to answer this question, but there is one important point. I am going to explain this using a question. So this question is again from the Nama KPSC PSI Test series. So what is the point I wanted to tell you? So first you can read the first sentence. Mike and Morris lived in the same village. While Morris owned the largest jewelry shop in the village, Mike was a poor farmer. So ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ಆಭರಣದ ಅಂಗಡಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಮಾರಿಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಡ ರೈತನಾಗಿದ್ದ ಮೈಕ್ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೇ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರು ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So what did I do here? Clubbed 2 sentences and made it to one. So why is this important? Basically, this would prove how well you can understand a given sentence and how well can you express your understanding. So ee reeti you must answer the translations. Again I repeat, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷಾ ಪ್ರಯೋಗನ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So remember this. So how do you answer the translation question? First of all, fully read the passage which is given and understand the passage and find out where you can club 2 or 3 sentences together and make into one sentence. Remember this. So this would help you answer the translation questions easily and quickly. So the next section is precise writing. Precise writing alli you will be writing the summary of the given passage by reducing the given passage to 1/3 of the total size. So 1/3 of the total size hege bariyodu? Suppose the given passage is in 10 lines, you must write the precise in 3 lines. So this is the word limit given to you. Again here they are testing your understanding capacity and how do you use your understanding and how do you express it. So for this given passage and the precise, you must provide a suitable title also. So for doing this you will get 10 marks. Again here there is no need for a greater understanding. The simple technique, that is club 2 or 3 lines and make into one line. Again you must follow the same rule here also. How do you do it? It is upon your understanding. So guys, we have finished the discussion. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, feel free to mail us. Thank you again.